aromatouch, the massage blend. How do you use it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that I use aromatouch, the massage blend. aromatouch combines cypress, peppermint, marjoram, basil, grapefruit, and lavender essential oils in a perfect blend that adds many important benefits to various massage techniques. This popular blend is a vital part of the doTERRA aromatouch technique, a proprietary method for applying essential oils to produce a profound whole-body wellness experience. The first way I use aromatouch is for relaxing my muscles. I do a lot of computer work and sitting at the desk, and over a period of time, that can cause discomfort in the back of my neck, lower back, and occasional headaches. So I like to add a couple drops in the palm of my hand and then rub that on the back of my neck, and within minutes, I start to feel more relaxed. The second way I use aromatouch blend is when I travel. At times, my legs tend to retain water and swell from the lack of circulation, and this blend of oils help to promote circulation and reduce discomfort in my legs. I just simply add a couple drops to a carrier oil, like fractionated coconut oil, and then rub that oil and massage it into my calves and feet. If you're getting value from this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about essential oils, click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. The third way I like to use aromatouch is by adding it to my diffuser. The smell is relaxing and calming and smells amazing. I just simply add 5 to 7 drops in my diffuser and enjoy the aroma. aromatouch, the massage blend, combines the unique benefits of oils known for their relaxing and comforting aroma. Have a great day. Bye!